The rhythmic tapping of the woodpecker against the bark of a tree is a natural symphony and a powerful lesson in perseverance. Through its unwavering determination, the woodpecker reminds us that with a focused heart and a persistent spirit, we can overcome the obstacles that are in the way of our goals. Just as woodpecker chips away at the bark to reveal the hidden treasures within, we too can chip away at the challenges we face in pursuit of our dreams. So let us embrace the woodpecker's unyielding spirit and keep pecking away until we reach the sweet rewards of our efforts.